We're making good old-fashioned soft and chewy brownies today. We're gonna start off with 1 1/4 cup of sugar. Add in 5 tablespoons of butter. We're gonna microwave this for 1 minute just until the butter has melted. Give that a quick mix. Now I've made several different brownie recipes before and they usually start off like this, melt the butter and the sugar and then transfer it to a bigger bowl. I keep forgetting this recipe never tells you to transfer anything. You're supposed to do everything in one big bowl. I always forget that. I end up adding more stuff to the bowl and at some point I run out of room. Add in 2 eggs plus 1 egg yolk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Give that a quick mix. Add in 1/3 cup of vegetable oil and 3/4 cup of cocoa powder. Too much. Yep, too much. Not enough room. We're gonna need a bigger bowl. We're also gonna dirty the spatula. Gotta fully scrape that bowl. I don't know why we're still using the fork. This is not my first time baking. Oh hey, a whisk. That'll help. Regrouping here. Mix, mix, mix. Alright, looks like we're swapping back to the spatula. I'm so distracted. I bet the kids are home. Add in 1/2 cup of flour, 1/8 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. We're gonna fold everything in. Also checking for Legos. Alright, this looks good. Grab your brownie batter and hit the sofa. We're gonna binge watch some Grey's Anatomy. Holy smokes, we forgot the chocolate chips. Yeah, add in a few of those. About 3/4 cup or however many you want. Add in some nuts too if that's your thing. I guess we should bake this. Grab your 8x8 baking dish and spray it with some nonstick cooking spray. I'm really just using this as glue for my parchment paper. Dump in all of that deliciousness and evenly spread it out into the oven at 325 degrees for about 30 minutes. With every brownie recipe I've ever tried, 90% of the time I end up putting them back in the oven for another 5 to 10 minutes. Just a heads up, if your oven is as sassy as mine is, you too might need to leave yours in a bit longer. If you're planning on doubling this recipe like I did, ta-da, sneaky sneaky, then you'll definitely need to increase your bake time. What is that? Oh dang, I broke the brownies. I think that's a chocolate chip. This double batch took about 45 minutes in a 9x13 baking dish. Give it the old chop chop, and there you go. Soft and chewy brownies. If you're interested, I will insert an ingredients list right here. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, I hope you give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out, and I'll see you all in the next video.